Today I'll be showing you how to make the most out of a 24-hour short trip to this tropical heaven, Maldives.
But look at the water, guys. Let's see, it's so crystal clear. Like you can see the sand underneath.
Prepare to be blown away by the luxurious overwater bungalows settled above the sparkling waves. Picture yourself waking up to a breathtaking ocean views with a direct access to the vibrant coral reefs filled with life. This will make you feel like you're living in a dream. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure like no other. So join me as we uncover the hidden gems, the wonders, and the sheer excitement of the Maldives. Let's dive into the video. My day started early morning at 1 a.m. when my chauffeur arrived and whisked me away to Dubai International Airport. From there, it's just a short 4-hour flight with Emirates Airlines to reach this tropical paradise.
Good morning, welcome aboard. Thank you, Mr. Sunny. Thank you. Window seat for you.
Thank you. Don't forget to snag a window seat on your flight because the view from above is absolutely breathtaking. You'll get a glimpse of the countless islands dotting the azure waters as you make your way to the Maldives. After landing at Malé International Airport, I made my way to the heavenly private island of Mafushi, where my home away from home awaited. Hotel RIU Atoll. Trust me folks, this place is the essence of luxury and pure bliss. But first we need to get there from Malé. It's an adventurous journey either by a quick domestic flight with Mantra Air to Dalu Airport and connect with a speedboat, or by a direct scenic seaplane ride.
Rio. I have a domestic flight.
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning. Malik Samir.
Malik Samir.
Yeah. I will be going with him to a different terminal.
Yeah.
We'll do the check-in, and after that we will be waiting in the lounge.
Yes.
Okay, great, perfect. Brother, what is your name? Hussein?
Yes.
Ah, nice to meet you. You're from Maldives here?
I'm Maldives. I'm a local.
Ah, nice, nice. Is it the rainy season now?
Not really, but sometimes shower rain, little bit, up to 5 minutes. Stop.
Ah, okay, so not heavy rain. I'm here only for one day. I hope it doesn't rain today or tomorrow. So this is domestic terminal. Ah, okay.
Flying from Malé to Dalu Airport is an absolute breeze. Hop on board a quick and comfortable ATR flight operated by Manta Air. And in just 45 minutes, you'll find yourself at your destination.
After a long time, I'm going to get on an ATR aircraft. Hello. Hi. Good morning. I like the uniform.
The flight will take 35 minutes while the captain and crew prepare to fly you to your destination. We are here to ensure that your journey with us today is a pleasant one. Thank you.
Despite the short duration of the flight, you will be pleasantly surprised to be treated to some refreshing in-flight refreshments. It's the perfect way to kickstart your adventure in style.
Hello. Hi.
Very nice to meet you, Manabi.
Same here. Your name is?
Wade.
Wade. How are you, Wade? I like your name.
Really?
Yes.
You will take the bus from here. You can have a seat, the blue one. You have a seat may come from.
The first one?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll see you then. So that was our hotel representative, Mr. Wade. I like his name. We'll be going to the bus, the blue bus, which will take us to the boat, where a speedboat will take us to the resort. Finally, there's been morning cab ride and the flight, another flight, and then boat, and we reach.
Welcome to Hotel RIU Atoll, where luxury meets paradise. Get ready to be pampered with world-class amenities, indulge in delicious dining options, and soak up the sun on their pristine beaches. Oh, and did I mention the entertainment and activities? This place knows how to keep the fun going.
So this is the atoll
Atoll, yeah.
And the behind one is the palace.
Side, yeah.
So most of the entertainment, the night entertainment happens in this bit.
Yes. Oh, it's over here.
But do we have restaurants here in this side as well, or only on that side?
We do have one in here. We have two specialty restaurants. And this one is the embark. From evening 6 until midnight 12, it will be operating. Music, DJs, movie night.
Oh, okay.
This is the sports bar, which is 24 hours open.
Oh, okay.
Over there is the World Sports Center. The spa and gym is over there.
Okay.
This is the shop and the doctor's clinic. This is the Sophia, and the behind this one it will be the steakhouse. In the morning, this restaurant will be open for breakfast. But if you want to go to the main restaurant on the other side, you can wait there. They will take you to the other side.
Okay.
Behind this one is the main pool, and the pool bar is also there. All the facilities are in this area.
I had booked the junior suite water villa with the all-inclusive package. That means everything that I could eat and drink here during my stay was inclusive in the package. And honestly, that was one of the best options that I went for. Now let me take you guys and give you a quick room tour.
As soon as you enter, on your right hand side, you have this wardrobe. And you go a little bit ahead. Here is the favorite part for people who drink. Unlimited drinks available in your room. Coffee for people like me who enjoy coffee. And see this, there's a bathtub right in the middle of your room. Open washroom, there's a wash basin for two. And this is the shower area, which is separate from the normal washroom. The regular washroom is here. You have your bed and the couch, which is separated by this table where you have the TV. And look at this. I don't know if this is a scorpion or if this is something, a fish, I'm not sure. Looks like a scorpion though. And let me take you guys to the balcony. And honestly, I myself have not been to the balcony yet, and we'll explore it together. Yeah, oh yeah, okay. Wow, it is hot. I'll be very honest, but look at this, completely isolated from the entire world and spending your day here in this water villa. I sat here for a while overviewing the ocean and listening to the sound of the waves. It was so relaxing and so nice. I didn't want to get up, wanted to spend the entire evening here like this and just enjoy the moment. But it's the time for sunset, and I don't want to miss out the beautiful colors that will appear on the sky. I want to capture some of those moments and then head towards one of the restaurants, enjoy a nice dinner, and then come back to the villa and call it a night. But honestly, it's so peaceful, so nice. I mean, you have to come here by yourself to experience this, what I'm experiencing at this moment. Good morning everyone, it's the second and my last day here in Maldives. I was here for a day, but honestly Maldives have inspired me so much. I would definitely want to come here again and stay longer. So what happened last night, I was super tired. I thought I will go and have early dinner and then crash because it was a long day for me. Well, while having my dinner, I was walking back to my villa and I just noticed there was loud music going on somewhere by the beach. When I go there, there's a bar, live music, DJ playing. So I thought, okay, fine, let me just spend maybe half an hour or maybe an hour till my food gets digested and I'll go back to my villa. But with every minute, with every hour, the music got even better and better. There was a guy with violin and he was playing all my favorite music, and I was like, oh my god, let me just stay a bit longer for the next. But When he finished, there's another guy who came with a saxophone. He just, stole the show. It was so engaging with the crowd that everyone jumped on the dance floor, even myself. So we danced, and it was a very nice, very, very nice feeling. And I ended up coming back to my villa only by midnight. This morning I woke up, I went to have my breakfast. When I came back from breakfast, I was surprised to see an envelope. When I opened it, I see it was a note from the reception. They were telling me that my departure is going to be at 1:25 on a seaplane. Yes, guys. So my agreement with them was that they will give me a complimentary transfer on a domestic flight, like how you saw I came in here and then connect on a boat. But while going back, they're going to give me a seaplane. This is going to be my first time to experience a seaplane. I've never tried it. I'm very much excited about it, and at the same time a little bit nervous as well. So 1.5 hours remaining for my flight. What I'll do is I'll take a dip in this ocean, staying in a water villa, and if you don't do this, and then probably why did you even book that, right? So I'll do that, and then I will meet you guys right in the seaplane. Bye. Now please don't judge me because I don't know how to swim, so I chose to wear this life jacket just to be on the safe side. I'll just try my luck, go in and see how it is. I hope the water is not super cold, but considering the weather outside, it's super hot. I guess a bit of cold water would be good. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, freaking cold. Where's the fish? I can't see a fish. Come on. Where are you? Let's see how it is inside the water. Let's go together. What do you say? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, so I forgot I'm not in the pool. Okay, that was a failed attempt because the goggles that I was wearing is not actually fitting my eyes, and somehow the water came inside. Oh, my eyes are burning. But I can't find any fish. The Instagram and YouTube is actually fooling us, when you see all those Maldives videos where people go inside with all colorful fishes. I know it's much more deep inside when you go for a scuba dive, but some of them at least should have been here. It's actually not that deep. Not deep, up to my waist. I regretted not doing this activity yesterday, but what to do, I'm here only for a day. I underestimated the fun in Maldives. I thought, okay, 24 hours will be more than enough, considering it's just an island, there's nothing much to do. But if you book all-inclusive package, there is actually a lot to do. Walk around, eat, drink, enjoy. And when you stay in a luxury villa like this, there's even more. So what I'm going to do is I'll remove my life jacket because I thought it's going to be a deep water, but no, it's not. I look like a fool here, though there's no one. But still, before anyone comes and judges me, I'll take off the life jacket.
But look at the water, guys. Look, see, it's so crystal clear. Like you can see the sand underneath. You can see the sand, the shell. It's as clean as being in a pool.
2,000 years later.
We are ready for the departure. This is our captain for today who will be taking us to Male. Yeah, you can fly a plane?
Yes, the captain.
Not you? You're not captain? I thought you're the captain. I'll make some good bonding with you so you can allow me to sit next to you and have a better view for my video. Maybe next time when I come here, you're a captain, inshallah. So we're getting on the ride. Hi, are you the captain?
He's the captain.
Hi, captain. How are you? First time we are getting on a seaplane.
Yeah, I'm sure you enjoyed this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, it is so small. Okay. Right side?
Any side, third row. We are stopping at Niama for refueling. It will take around 5 minutes to reach Niama. Then we are going to head direct to Mala. 45 minutes trip to Mala.
You'll be my crew?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Let's enjoy the ride. guys, thank you very much. I made it to Maldives International Airport. The flight was very nice, smooth, 45 minutes. The landing and takeoff especially was very nice. It was a nice experience. I was a little bit nervous, but no bumps, nothing. This means that I'm gonna end my vlog over here. I hope that you guys enjoyed my Maldives vlog. If yes, then give it a like and even consider subscribing if you haven't yet. From here, I'm taking my flight to Colombo, where I'm going to stay for 4 days. They're going to be a proper Sri Lanka series, because from Colombo I'll go to Nuwara Eli and back. So stay connected and be a part of the journey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.